All right, I've had this Bronco on a lot of videos because it's a lot of work and we keep sharing with you all the things that we're doing. We got ready and actually installed this engine, and we had it out more than you take your best shirt out of the closet. So during the process of in and out, we scratched up this oil pan, and I certainly didn't want to put it back in there with a bunch of scratches on it. So we pulled it back out, and hopefully this is the last time it's coming off the frame. And so that the owner that happens to be watching this, which he usually does, the Secure Sec, I hope that he sees this oil pan and realizes that he can comb his hair in that oil pan because it's so tight. So Daniel's getting ready to put that back on, and then we're going to put this motor back in, put the transmission back in, and we're pretty close to putting the body back down on the frame. Got a gas tank to go yet, and a couple things, and then we can drop it all back. I'm Barry Wilson, Wilson Auto Repair. Go to my website, wilsonauto.com.